OMEN 25L gaming desktop, an impressive contender for the title of Best High-Performance Gaming PC under $1,000 in 2024. Although it could benefit from a few additional ports, particularly up front, the HP OMEN 25L stands tall as an eye-catching RGB-lit PC that delivers robust performance to meet all your 1080p gaming requirements. If you're not on the hunt for cutting-edge gaming, the HP OMEN 25L will comfortably cater to your needs. It's ideally suited for those who primarily game at 1080p resolution. This review focuses on a robust configuration of the PC, but virtually any variant of this machine will deliver excellent performance. Whether you're evading law enforcement in the dystopian world of Cyberpunk 2077 or commanding mystical armies in Total War Warhammer 3, the reviewed model, unlike the base configuration, pairs an AMD CPU with NVIDIA graphics, specifically an AMD Ryzen 7 5700G 16GB, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, and a 512GB SSD supplemented by an extra 1TB hard drive. The HP OMEN 25L is available in various configurations, with options for both AMD and Intel CPUs, and AMD and NVIDIA GPUs. In terms of port availability, the selection is satisfactory but not extraordinary. The front-facing ports, conveniently located next to the power button atop the tower, are restricted to just 2 USB-A ports, a headphone jack and a microphone jack. Any USB-C peripherals will need to be connected at the back, where only 2 ports are accessible, along with 4 USB-A ports. The OMEN 25L gaming PC is designed for easy upgrades, featuring a tool-free door for quick access and maintenance. Swap out any of the 4 external hard drives without even opening the case. And when you need to delve into the system, the angled design makes it a breeze to open with the included double-sided screwdriver and replacement screws.